will look more like a yellowish orange tonight, and it will appear to be within touching distance of the moon. When that happens, it's called a conjunction in astronomy. Learn something new every day.
Yeah.
That. I feel like we're kind of in conjunction on the set. We're almost touching. 16 feet away.
Yeah, and astronomy's not my thing. I looked it up because I knew we were going to do the thing. We were going to do the story. I'm normally more into climate than the stars, but I looked it up and you can see it pretty clearly about 45 minutes after sunset. Last night we couldn't, but tonight you'll be able to. You'll see the moon come up, and then you'll look for, just as Tony said, it's going to be, we call it the red planet, but it actually shines a little bit orange-yellow, and you're going to see that bright glow very close to the moon. Now, when I looked it up, it says it's a little bit above the moon. That image showed it a little bit further distance, but I don't know. So take a look tonight and then take a shot of it and let us know what you see, and let's talk about it tomorrow, because it'll certainly be interesting enough to see tonight. We will start to get rid of these clouds. We will go clear. I don't know if we'll be completely clear right after sunset, but let me show you how this sets up. 64 degrees outside right now. We're at 61 in White Plains. Hi, Newark, at about 65 degrees. Looking at Montauk at about 59 degrees. Jersey Shore coming in right around 64. Say goodbye to that mess. It's offshore, and happily so. Now, we're still kind of pulling the rest of the system with it to get it out of the way, so there are some sprinkles and showers that are moving into Connecticut, some in the Hudson Valley as well. I've seen one or two in northern New Jersey. There's one near Teaneck right there, and one right on the north shore of Long Island. So with our big-time rainfall totals here that got to the inch mark in a lot of locations, we needed some time to get everything to dry out after this morning's rain. So now the skies have gotten a little bit more quiet, and we're trying to get this open spot everywhere. That happens by about 4 o'clock as that rain gets shoved off and some heavy rain continues on toward the Maine coast a little bit. So as we get into tomorrow, you'll notice a few clouds getting into the area, but I think it's a dry day for us, just a mixture of sunshine and clouds. Clouds will be a little bit more loaded in northern areas than in southern areas. So here's where we started about 1:30 this afternoon, getting the heaviest rain offshore and just those widely scattered showers. This shows one a little bit south of Toms River, and I think for the most part, the Jersey Shore has kind of pushed most of the rain out of the way. But by 4 o'clock, how far can we get this dry air in here? Remember how early the sun sets this time of year. So this is overnight, and we do go completely clear. And by 7 o'clock in the morning, we've got great looking skies to start with, just a few clouds in northern areas. How much rain? Well, this was the general, but we showed you some spots came in with more than an inch. So right on target here, the heavier rain kind of loaded up we saw in the Hudson Valley, also in central New Jersey, northern New Jersey as well. For the next few hours, just count on this air trying to shake itself out, getting rid of the showers that are there, trying to get some sunshine through those clouds. Western areas will see it first. Eastern areas, it'll take a little bit more time for us to get to the benefit of the clearing afternoon and evening skies. But the rain is ending, and that's the nicest thing we can say. Because we've got a little bit more sunshine and a few more hours of it kicking in, we took that number up from 64 to 66 degrees. Enjoy that. Partly cloudy, light west wind at 51 degrees. The sun and clouds, it stays mild for 60 degrees during the day tomorrow. And we've got a little cold front, a little cool front working through by the time we get to Friday into Saturday. So Saturday, cool sunshine at about 56 degrees. Sunday, high and dry at about 52 degrees. And I think we're going to have a little problem Monday into Tuesday that we've got to talk about very carefully. Could be some strong wind and very heavy rain. Guys?
All right, thanks so much, Sam. Well, coming up, homeless men set to be moved out of a hotel on the Upper West Side. The judge's decision that cleared the way for the men to be moved to a different shelter. Plus, President Trump pardoned former National Security Advisor Michael Flynn, and that may not be the last pardon he gives.
We've been helping families make joy for over 100 years, and we're not taking this year off. So the Ford Built for the Holiday sales event begins now. We're giving you the best deals of the season on select Ford SUVs and Ford Fusion. So get the family together and make some joy this season. Ford Built for the Holidays. Right now, lease the Ford Edge for just $169 a month. See more holiday offers at buyfordnow.com.
You're not using too much, are you, hun?
Nope. Charmin Ultra Soft is so soft, you'll have to remind your family they can use less. Charmin Ultra